Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a high protein salad recipe to help you in your weight loss regime. For this, I'm going to first make the salad dressing. I add some curd in a cup, top it up with some salt, some chili powder, some garam masala, some pepper, and I mix all of this thoroughly to ensure they blend well. To this, I'm going to add some lemon juice to provide us with a tangy taste. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of boiled soya chunks, which is a very good source of protein. Mix this well and allow it to marinate for some time, preferably about 1 to 1.5 hours while we prepare the rest of the salad. Now in another bowl, we add some onions, some capsicum. To this, we add some grated carrot. We can also choose to chop it well. We add some tomatoes, some cabbage, which is finely chopped again. Finely chopped green chilies. Green chilies are best for blood pressure. We then add some boiled chickpeas to this, some salt, some olive oil, some chaat masala, some roasted cumin powder to provide us with some good digestion. Now add the marinated sauce to this completely and also top it up with some fresh coriander leaves, and now our salad is ready.